Hi, in today's video I share productivity apps I use on my MacBook. Number one is default Notes app. I use it for daily, weekly, monthly journaling, and I follow the para system. I have four categories: projects, areas, resources, archives. It's from the Second Brain book, and I will share a video somewhere here. And I use it as a simple task manager. For each project I have a note like this with log of actions which I done and the next steps. So when I choose a project to work, I know what to do next. The next app is Toggle. It's a time tracker. Last year I used it only for iOS app projects, but this year I started for the others too. And it helps me to understand how the efforts are distributed between the projects and plan better. I use Pomodoro technique. It's when you really focused on one task for 25 minutes and then you take 5 minutes break, then repeat the cycle. And there is an option in this app, but I found that for me the timer at the top of the screen is enough and I don't like the hard breaks. The next app is Notion. I have a very limited use for it. It's only for my year goals. Here I have the different areas of my life, the goals, some notes, how I will achieve them. And under I have the table with the KPIs I want to follow. I have a video where I explain it with more details. Now a simple utility to focus on current window. It shadows the windows in the background. Without it like this, and you can control how much you want to shadow. Sometimes a better way to focus it's just to use the full screen. Another simple utility is Hazel. It helps me to process the files in the downloads folder, but you can set up it for any folder. For example, here I have an action that when I download a book, it automatically sends it to the Kindle and then trash the file. Another feature of this app is that it can clean related files when you remove an app. One of the most used apps is the Arc browser. I started to use it the last year and I can switch back to Safari. It has some inconveniences. I don't like the mobile version, but the tabs and spaces organization overweights the other problems for me. The next one is very important for security. It's 1Password. In macOS you have iCloud keychain, but 1Password gives you more control, better organized, and have a version for major browsers and platforms. There is one app which is useful, but I don't use for now. It's useful especially on small screens. It's named Bartender and it helps to organize the menu bar. I don't use it because I have a previous version and it's not supported with my version of macOS. I work mostly on the external screen, but at some point I will upgrade because I like more when the menu bar is decluttered. I can live without all these apps, but they help to be more focused and organized, to have more pleasure from work. In long term it pays off. Share your productivity apps. Thanks for watching and see you.